subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has launched its new smartphone under G series in the US called Moto G Stylus 5G. Talking about the specifications, the Moto G Stylus 5G features a tall 6.8-inch Full HD Plus Max Vision display with 20:9 aspect ratio and 89% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 chipset paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Moto G Stylus 5G supports a quad camera setup on the rear and a squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 180° field of view plus 5MP macro lens with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.2 aperture. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 and it houses a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication and it comes with stylus pen. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 169.54 by 77.48 by 9.35mm and it weighs around 217.5 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto G Stylus 5G has been priced in the US at $399 and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from June 14th in cosmic emerald color options. So what do you guys think of this Moto G Stylus 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.